Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khansa Saqib, and the topic I am going to represent is about cytoskeleton, intercellular junction, epithelium connective tissue interface. Cytoskeleton. Cell possesses a cytoskeleton that provides structural framework for the cell, facilitate intercellular transport, supports cell junction, transmits signal about cell contact, and it also permit motility. This is the diagram of the cytoskeleton, in which you can see microtubules, microfilament, and intermediate filament which form the structure of cytoskeleton. So, structure of cytoskeleton. It consists of three components: microfilament, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. Microfilaments. These are 6 to 8 nanometer in diameter and consist of globular actin molecule associated with the soluble myosin and serve as the intercellular muscle. The function of the microfilament are concerned with the maintenance of cell shape, movements, and contractility. It also serves as a web beneath the cell membrane, especially the apical membrane, and it also serves as a structure core of microvilli. Intermediate filaments. These are 10 nanometer in diameter and have a diverse protein composition. They are not contractile but are important in maintenance of the cell shape. In fibroblasts, intermediate filaments are the polymers of the protein vimentin, and in epithelial cell, intermediate filaments are also called as tonofilaments, which consist of cytokeratin. Cytokeratin are the multigene family of the protein whose function is to determine the relationship between different cells and as an indication of the origin of various tumors. Microtubules. Microtubules are the tubular in structure within a diameter of 25 nanometer. It is composed of the protein tubulin. The function of the microtubule provides internal support to the cell, motility to the certain organelles such as cilia. Intercellular junctions. When a cell comes into contact with another cell or sometimes with the extracellular matrix, a specialized junction is formed on a specific site which is known as intercellular junction. Classification of intercellular junction. It is classified into major three categories: occluding junctions, adhesive junction, and communicating junction. Adhesive junction further consists of cell to cell, which contains zonular adherence and macular adherence, and cell to matrix, which contains focal adherence and hemodesmosis. Occluding junction. The border of the two cells are fused together around the whole perimeter of each cell, forming a continuous belt-like structure known as occluding junction, which can be seen clearly in the diagram. Cytoplasmic protein. Several cytoplasmic proteins that associated with the intercellular portion of the transmembrane protein includes cell polarity related protein, vesicular transport related protein, tumor suppressor protein, and transcription factor. Functions. It controls the material it controls the passage of the material through the intercellular spaces, has an important role as finance to defense and maintain the two major domains of the cell membrane: number 1 apical surface and number 2 blastolateral surface. Adhesive junction. The junction which holds the cell together with extracellular matrix is known as adhesive junction, approximately 20 nanometer in diameter, and they appear as a band or encircling the cell or as a spot of attachment to the extracellular matrix. In the diagram, you can see that they appear as a band or as a spot for the attachment site. Cell to cell. The junction which provides the adhesion and contact between the neighboring cell or between the cell and extracellular matrix in animals. The transmembrane proteins are the member of the cadherin family. Cadherin are the calcium ion dependent proteins. And the cytoplasmic adapter or the protein are the member of the cadherin family. Cadherin, it interacts with the cytoplasmic domain of the transmembrane cadherin molecule with cytoskeleton and other proteins. Zonular adherence. Zonular adherents are also known as intermediate junction or belt osmosis. Adjacent to the plasma membrane, they are separated by the gap of the 15 to 20 nanometer, which is filled with electron-dense block containing a glycoprotein. Myosin, tropomyosin, and alpha-actin and vinculin actin containing microfilament insert into the block to stabilize the junction between the epithelial cell, fibroblast, smooth muscle cell, and enterocolitic disc. Macular adherence. Macular adherence or desmosis, they are bipartite structures and hemodesmosis from the strong point of adhesion between the cell and tissue such that the joining two cells are separated by a thin space of 25 to 35 nanometer. The plaque in the surface of the cell joined by desmosis have a structure of the intercellular attachment protein, which is desmoplakin and placoglobin, and which interact with the tonofilaments known as intermediate filaments. Cell to matrix junction, focal adhesion. The transmembrane component is a member of the integrin family. Integrin are the heterodimers of alpha and beta subunits. The cytoplasmic adapter protein includes alpha actin binding proteins and the binding to the integrin to the collagen, laminin, fibronectin, and other extracellular matter result in the remodeling of the actin cytoskeleton. Hemodesmosis. Hemodesmosis are the integrin alpha 6 beta 4 which binds specifically to the basal lamina glycoprotein, laminin, and collagen. Hemodesmosis links the cell to the basal lamina and through the additional extracellular molecules. Like desmosome, the cytoplasmic adapter protein bulbous phagocyte antigen and plaquetin form a dense plaque on the cytoplasmic surface of the hemodesmosis, whose function as an attachment site for the intermediate filaments. Gap junction. It is also known as communicating junction. It consists of intercellular channel in the plasma membrane of the adjacent cell. It consists of 6 conjugate proteins arranged to form a donut shape. The function of the gap junction it play an important role in cardiac junction and help in signal transfer brain. Here you can appreciate the gap junction which creates the gap that connect the animal cells. Epithelium connective tissue interface. Epithelia are separated from underlining the connective tissue by a non-vascular structure organized as a thin sheet adjacent to the basal cell. And this thin sheet is known as basal lamina, which is the product of the epithelium and connective tissues. Basal lamina structure. It consists of 3 components: lamina reducer, lamina densa, and lamina fibroreticularis. Function. It controls the passage of the molecule between epithelium and connective tissue and act as a barrier to the cell migration. In the diagram, you can see that the structure of the basal lamina. Thank you.